So guys, this is what Tony's not working with me on these videos. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you pull the curtain. This is our last night in Vegas. I want y'all to see how pretty everything is, for real, for real. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it gorgeous, Anthony? Anthony, I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Zoom in a little bit. I saw the Trump Towers today. Just wanted to show y'all the view. And that's how that looks with the light on. Okay guys, so I usually never wear these type of lashes, as y'all know. I usually wear the more discreet, you know, but these will be perfect for this photo shoot. So I will say these lashes are harder to maneuver because it's like, where do I grab? They're just like fuzzy caterpillars. However, these fuzzy caterpillars are too cute and they give what needs to be given. So I'm looking forward to this because I've made this dress and I've had it for quite some time, but haven't taken good pictures in it. So what I really appreciate about this dress, besides the color scheme, is the fuzzy stuff around the back and the shoulder part, or the boob area. So this is so awesome. Someone saw us taking these pictures and volunteered to help us out. Isn't that nice?
Oh, you can come on. Do what? Huh?
I'm here to be your photographer. Oh. Come on, this is the Christmas card.
Exactly.
How can you be with such a beautiful woman and be a Grinch? So, is this the one I pressed? It's different than my phone.
It's a video, and we can get stills from the video. So you just hold it like this.
Okay. You don't want the long one?
No, because it's YouTube also.
Okay.
All right, so now we're heading down. Hopefully I don't fall. That just made my whole day. She's a pastor and she's a photographer. Okay, so my husband pretends like he doesn't appreciate the fact that I would get dolled up for a photo, an impromptu photo shoot. But I really think that he's grateful that I would take an interest and a pride in my appearance. I hope. Oh, you're just sweet. You're good. Thank you, though. Okay. I wish I could do this with all of my gowns, but I would have to pay somebody to be a real photographer. Now get the face, get the face.
Oh, no, I ain't doing all that. I'm not coming back down here.
Excuse me.
Get you doing what? Wait till these people. No. No, I'm not trying to be in all this.
So this must be what Beyonce feels like. $16,308. Y'all, this dress, these earrings, with this hair. Thanks for watching my first for real photo shoot. So this is me saying goodbye to Vegas, and this is me. Yeah, that was really fun trip. I don't see myself coming back down here. I would have other places I would like to visit. Tony also, we both agreed upon, what do we say? New Orleans next. Nolans. Yeah, we both agreed upon Nolans next, so that's what we're gonna do.